I'm Elliot Crisp. I am Business Unit Manager for Materials here at MULTIVAC UK. MULTIVAC Materials in the UK started about 12 years ago, and it was really faced with a major question of, can we challenge the status quo of material supply in the UK? So move away from the traditional supply of a different machinery manufacturer and a materials manufacturer coming together to make a pack. We wanted to do it, so everything from MULTIVAC. Materials designed by MULTIVAC to run down MULTIVAC equipment.
My name is Scott McPherson. I'm the VP of the Materials Division within MULTIVAC UK. So in terms of logistics, we have, depending on the time of the year, between 2,500 and 4,500 pallets located in the UK, just up the road in Swindon. And we can deliver those pallets either same day, or if you call off before 3 o'clock, we deliver next day. And on top of the 4,500 pallets, probably another 5,000 pallets within the group. There is no one worldwide who holds more stock readily available for MULTIVAC applications than us.
MULTIVAC Materials delivers a value proposition to customers that no one else can match in the industry. We supply materials to all of our MULTIVAC equipment by combining our expertise in materials and machinery together to create a one-stop shop package and deliver value for customers. We can offer our customers to do right from concept stage all the way to delivery stage. So we can use the Innovation Centre behind me here to run trials. We can do digital mock-ups. So what's my packaging going to look like when it's on the customer shelf? We can even run shelf life trials here at MULTIVAC UK and mock everything up so you know what you're going to get, and then we can create a plan to deliver that back onto shelf and through your production. Something we're really proud of is that we offer optimization days with MULTIVAC Materials. So we combine our expertise in packaging and plastics and how they work with the machinery side and our machinery expertise to optimise packaging throughput from your machine. What that means to our customers is faster line speeds, faster production. We found a reduction in downtime in factories that use MULTIVAC Materials. Having a materials division has really allowed us to offer some really unrivaled packages for customers when it comes to financing new machines or creating service contracts for those machines that are running MULTIVAC Materials. It's allowed us to really drive value for customers through using MULTIVAC Materials. One of those really unique offers is MTO, so MULTIVAC Total Offer, where we can offer new machinery with a full package of material supply and preventative maintenance agreements as well as a one-stop shop. No one else in the industry is able to offer this, and it really gives you the best of MULTIVAC and the best value in the market. The RightPad Consultancy is a consultation process that any customer, any MULTIVAC customer can join and be a part of. We talk about your current packaging and we look at how we can make improvements. So it's all centred around sustainability, so looking at things like carbon footprint reduction, plastic reduction, how we can make your pack more recyclable, how we can make sure that it's fully compliant with current legislation, design it for future legislation as well. So it's a process where we look at everything. We don't just look at the packaging, we also look at the MULTIVAC equipment that the packaging is going to be running down and making sure that a project can actually be deliverable. So we've measured how many tons of plastic we've moved from recyclable into from non-recyclable. So we've actually done 7,000 tons of plastic is now being made from non-recyclable into recyclable grade materials, which is an absolute fantastic result. On top of that, we've saved 2,000 tons of plastic not needing to be used in those packaging formats anymore. So that's 2,000 tons of plastic that customers don't need to use and consumers don't need to recycle. That's out of the market now, and we'll continue to make savings there. We've measured that during all of our projects, we're saving 6,000 tons of CO2 per year, which is actually the equivalent to 1,000 African elephants. So it's quite a considerable amount of CO2 saved just by using the consultancy and making really small, impactful changes, but they all add up.